Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to our channel Learn with Duguli. In today's class, I am going to explain you the most top 5 important points about computer. You must know it. You all know that how computer plays a vital role at present generations. So we must all know about computer and its uses, which is going to be useful for our future. So friends, before starting these sessions, please subscribe the channel if you are new in this channel. Please like and share if you already subscribed. So now let's start the class. Don't skip the video. Each and every point of this video is important for you. Have a notebook and pen if possible. As I told you, there are top 5 important points about computer. Please note down. Those are: the first point is what is computer and who developed it. Second is how it works. Third is components of computer. Fourth is characteristics of computer. Fifth is full form of computer and its devices. Now the first point is what is computer? A computer is an electronic device because it needs electricity to run. It's a machine can store, process and retrieve the data. Who developed the computer? The Charles Babbage was developed the computer nearby 19th centuries. We are not mentioning any particular date and year because the experiment to make the computer started from 18th century and finally it got succeed in 19th century. Please remember this point. You may get this type of questions in computer fundamental MCQs and any interviews. The answer is the Charles Babbage was developed the computer nearby 19th centuries. Now coming to the second point, components of the computer. There are two main components of a computer. One is hardware and other one is software. Soon I am going to make a separate video on hardware and software in depth. For now, basic informations I am sharing about hardware and software. Please note down what is hardware and what is software in computer. Hardware. Hardware is the physical and visible components of the computer such as monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, etc. In hardware segment, there are types of hardware: input device, output device, storage device, CPU. Those are types of hardware of computer. Okay, CPU is called brain of computer and there are many things in this to know. For this, one more video I will make on CPU and soon I am going to upload it. Please go and check. Software. Definition of software, which software is a set of instructions, data or programs used to operate computer and execute specific tasks. Types of software. there are two types of software in computer. One is application software, other one is system software. What is application software? Application software is used for users. Example, Microsoft software including MS Office, PowerPoint, Word, Excel and Outlook. Common internet browsers like Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc. Those comes under application software. Then coming to next point, system software. What is system software? System software is software designed to provide a platform for other softwares. Example of system software including operating system OS like Mac OS, Linux. It is main software. After installing this only we can install and use application software. So system software is main. I am going to explain you the characteristics or speciality of computer. Those are 6 major speciality of computer. The first one is speed. A computer work with much higher speed and accuracy compared to humans. While performing mathematical calculations, computer can process millions of instructions per second. Second point is accuracy. Computer perform with 100% accuracy, especially calculations. Third point is diligence. A computer can perform millions of tasks or calculations with the same consistency and accuracy. It does not feel any fatigue or lack of concentrations. The fourth one is versatility. Versatility refers to the capability of a computer to perform different kind of work with same accuracy and efficiency. Then coming to reliability. A computer is reliable as it gives consistent result for similar set of data. Coming to next, memory. A computer has built-in memory called primary memory where it stores the data. Secondary storage are removable devices such as CDs, pen drives, etc., which are also used to store the data. Now, full form of computer and its devices. The full form of computer is common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. Okay, please note down full form of computer. Coming to next, CPU, Central Processing Unit. RAM, RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM, ROM, Read Only Memory. As I told you starting of the video that I am going to upload a video on CPU which is called brain of the computer. There are many things to know in that. So for now I am giving some basic knowledge that CPU, how it works. CPU works with 2 units. There are 2 units in CPU. One is called ALU, other one is called CU. ALU is called arithmetic logic unit. ALU is called arithmetic logic unit. ALU performs mathematical logics like addition, subtraction, multiplications, division, and logic operations such as or and. Okay, coming to next, CU. CU is called control unit. CU controls all activities and operations performed in the computer system. So these are the basic informations about CPU I told you. Please note down all what we learn in this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.